Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix the media keeps stopping error on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. If you want to fix media keeps stopping error, so select internet app. After click on internet and click on storage usage, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, click on system and update, and click on backup and reset. Reset phone, and if you want to fix, click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the media keeps stopping error on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.